Hello student, our today's topic is written sources. Do you know written sources of history include inscription carved on temple wall, walls of rock cut caves and rock, inscription on copper plates, pots, bricks and writing sheet made from palm leaves and birch bark. So in written sources, they are included in temples wall, walls of rock cut caves and rocks. Temples walls means मंदिर की भिंत, rock cut caves means लेनी की भिंत, and then copper plates means ताम्रपट, then pots, भांडी, bricks means wheat, and some writing sheets they are using palm leaves means ताड़ and birch bark means भूर्जपत्र. तो the Stone Age people have recorded many events, had and expressed their emotions in painting on rock. Stone Age people have recorded many events. They are expressing his emotions on rock by painting. मीन्स वो क्या करते थे, उनकी जो इमोशंस थे वो एक्सप्रेस करते थे पेंटिंग के जरिए रॉक पे. इट वॉज ओनली आफ्टर थाउजेंड ऑफ ईयर्स दैट मैन लर्न द आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग. मीन्स दे हैव टेकन थाउजेंड ऑफ ईयर्स, मैन हैज टेकन थाउजेंड ऑफ ईयर्स टू डेवलप लर्न आर्ट ऑफ राइटिंग, to develop, learn the art of writing. In the beginning, humans used symbol and sign to record their thought and idea. At the beginning time, man used some symbol and sign to record their thought and idea. But after it thousand of years for a script to develop from this. And then after thousand of years, they have developed script. मीन्स मैन यूज पहले क्या करता था, सिंबल और साइन का यूज़ करता था रिकॉर्ड और थॉट्स एंड आइडिया बताने के लिए. एंड आफ्टर दैट थाउजेंड्स ईयर के बाद उन्होंने स्क्रिप्ट डेवलप की. इन द बिगनिंग मैन रोट ऑन पॉटशेड अनबेक्ड ब्रिक्स यूजिंग पॉइंटेड ऑब्जेक्ट. इन द बिगनिंग टाइम दे आर राइटिंग ऑन पॉटशेड अनबेक्ड ब्रिक्स, that pointed object they are using. He also used birch tree bark to write on. Means they have used also birch means burj tree. As his experience and knowledge increase, means when his experience and knowledge has grown, at that time he began to write in different ways. Means they were written and different ways. He began to record the events that took place around him. They have written some events on that particular period. Account of the proceeding of royal courts were also written systematically. Means they have written some records proceeding of royal courts were also systematically. मीन जो अकाउंट का कामकाज था वो भी उन्होंने सिस्टमेटिकली लिखा. मेनी रूलर्स एट देयर ऑर्डर जुडिशियल डिसीजन डोनेशन इट इज इंस्क्राइब ऑन स्टोन और कॉपर प्लेट. जो कुछ भी रूलर थे उन्होंने भी जो उनके ऑर्डर थे, देयर ऑर्डर, देयर जुडिशियल डिसीजन एंड डोनेशंस, दे हैव रिटन ऑन copper plates or stone. Over a period of time, many form of literature developed. After some time, many literature has developed. They include books on religious and social subject. In that period, they have written some books on religious and social subject. Means उन्होंने कुछ बुक लिखे religious और social subject पे. Plays, poetry, travelers and scientific work. All this literature help to understand the history. Means we can use some books, religious and social books, plays, poetry, travelers and scientific work. All this literature we can use for understand to history. हिस्ट्री ऑफ वेरियस हिस्टोरिकल पीरियड, दिस सोर्सेज आर नोन एज रिटर्न सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री। तो इस सोर्सेज को कहते हैं रिटर्न सोर्सेज ऑफ हिस्ट्री। बुर्ज पत्र मीन्स राइटिंग शीट मेड फ्रॉम अ बार्क ऑफ अ बिर्च ट्री। बुर्ज पत्र मीन्स क्या होता है? राइटिंग शीट। और ये कैसे बनती है? बिर्च ट्री से, ये मेड फ्रॉम बिर्च ट्री। बुर्ज इज द संस्कृत नेम ऑफ बिर्च ट्री। विच इज द संस्कृत नेम ऑफ बिर्च ट्री? बुर्ज, भुर्ज। Birch trees are found in Kashmir. We can see birch tree are found in Kashmir. Okay, you have to read these topics and try to understand. Okay, thank you.